Hello students, welcome to lecture number 10. Topic for today's session is Lean Management. I Dr. Rohan Prabhakar Devale welcome you all. This is online lecture series. Don't forget to subscribe. The subject is Operations and Supply Chain Management. Learning objectives for today's sessions are to know the basic concepts of Lean, to understand the types of wastes, and to study the Lean Management. We will start our session with the understanding and the basic concepts of Lean Management and Lean Manufacturing. First, we'll start with lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing or lean production, often simply called as lean, is a systematic method for waste minimization, that is MUDA, within a manufacturing system without sacrificing productivity. Lean also takes into account waste created through overburden, that is called as MURI, and waste created through unevenness in workloads, that is called as Mura. The concept of Muda, Muri and Mura we will see in later slides. Working from the perspective of the client who consumes a product or service, value is an action or process that a customer would be willing to pay for. Lean manufacturing makes obvious that what adds value by reducing everything else which is not adding value. This management philosophy is derived mostly from the Toyota Production System, that is TPS, and identified as lean only in 1990s. Toyota Production System is renowned for its focus on reduction of the original Toyota 7 West to improve overall customer value. But there are varying perspectives on how this is best achieved. The steady growth of Toyota from a small company to the world's largest automaker has focused attention on how it is achieved this success. Now we will see types of wastes. There are three types of waste. Number one is Muda, number two Muri, and number three Mura. Muda, Muri, and Mura. Although the elimination of waste may seem like a simple and clear subject, it is noticeable that waste is often very conservatively identified. This then usually reduces the potential of such an aim. The elimination of waste is the goal of Lean, and Toyota identified three broad types of waste: Muda, Muri, and Mura. For many Lean implementation, this list shrinks to the first waste type only with reduced corresponding benefits. To link these three concepts in Toyota Production System and thus Lean, firstly Muri focuses on the preparation and planning of the process, or what work can be avoided proactively by proper design. Next is Mura, then focuses on how the work design is implemented and the elimination of fluctuation at the scheduling or operations level, such as quality and volume. Next is Muda. Muda is then discovered after the process is in place and is dealt with the reactivity. It is seen through variation in output. It is the role of management to examine the Muda in the processes and eliminate the deeper causes by considering the connection to the Muri and Mura of the system. The Muda and Mura inconsistencies must be fed back, and it is backfed to the Muri or planning stage for the next project. Now we will talk about Muda. The original seven Mudas are like this. First is transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. So these are the original seven Mudas. Mura. Mura is inconsistency, unevenness, irregularity, or lack of uniformity, and its reduction seeks to improve the flow of smoothness of a process. The goal of a Mura-based approach is to achieve just-in-time production by eliminating variables caused by work. Now we will talk about Muri. Muri is all the unreasonable work that is imposed on workers or equipments due to poor organization, such as moving the things around, dangerous tasks, even working too fast. It is pushing a person or machine beyond its limit. Now we will talk about lean management. Lean management, it is an approach to running an organization that supports the concept of continuous improvement. It is an ongoing effort to improve products, services, or processes which require incremental improvement over time in order to increase efficiency and quality. Lean management, it uses the method for eliminating factors that waste time, efforts, or money. This is accomplished by analyzing a business process and then revising it or cutting out any steps that do not create value for the ultimate customers. Lean management principles are derived from the Japanese manufacturing industry and include: number one, defining value from the standpoint of the end customer. Then, identifying each steps in a business process and eliminating those steps that do not create value. Next is making the value creating steps occur in tight sequences. And last is repeating the first three steps on a continuous basis until all waste has been eliminated. Thus, we can say that these lean principles ensure that the processes involved with bringing a product to market remain cost effective from beginning to the end. Lean production or lean manufacturing is a systematic method for the elimination of waste within a manufacturing process. This may include waste created through unevenness in workloads, overburden, and any work that does not add value. From the point of view of the customer who consumes a service or products, value is any process or action that a client would be willing to pay for. In absence, lean is focused on making obvious what appends value by decreasing everything else. Thus, in any production system, we want to enhance quality with improved speed and improvement in efficiency. So enhancement in quality, speed and efficiency, but at the same time, the overall total production cost should be reduced. This is the book of Simba publication, Operations and Supply Chain Management, written by myself. In my next video, we will understand ethical and environmental issues in operations and supply chain management. Learning outcomes from today's session, we have understood the basic concepts of lean. We have seen various types of wastes, and we have seen the basic concepts of lean management. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for the notifications. Thanks from Dr. Rohan Devale. These are some references I have used to prepare this video. Thanks for watching.